Just kidding. I'm not shy. Hey! Okay, so this is my hair after a wash and go. I just let it air dry, and now I'm just going to go ahead and pick it out, you know, make it look cute, because right now we're looking like a little Sally Sue mushroom, okay? And that's not what we want. But as you can see, there is a lot of definition in my hair, which I'm loving. But it's really defined and everything. Up here is just, you know, bangs just don't want to work. This is probably a little bit of heat damage, but no big deal. So I just kind of finger coiled them as best I could, but we gonna work it out. So let's get it. So first, usually what I like to do, I just like to shake my hair out, just so it gets a little bit fluffy, and then I basically just go in with a blow dry. Sometimes I diffuse my hair. It just depends on what I'm doing for the day. But since we're, you know, indoors. Take it away, Penny. And everything, for the most part, I let it air dry. So now I'm just gonna be stretching it out and picking. So let's get to it. And I do blow dry. I don't have a concentrated nozzle, so I've always just used the blow dryer itself. But I always put it on low and then cool setting. So yeah, either cool or warm, depends on how fast I'm trying to, you know, dry my hair or stretch my hair out. So I split it into different sections, and I just kind of go from there. I only blow dry the roots of my hair to stretch that part out, and a little bit in here, and then I just hold all the curls like this. That way the curls don't get stretched out or lose their shape. So here you see me blow drying my hair using the tension method. This helps so I'm not over manipulating my hair as I pull it and blow dry it. So now I'm just fluffing, fluff, and then moving on to the next section. Everything gets a little repetitive. I'm just blow drying each section individually, pulling it by the tension method, and blow drying it to stretch it out. I prefer to use this particular method just because it stretches my hair out very fast, and it gives me a little bit of frizz, which means more volume. So now with my bangs, I just bunch them together and kind of angle them downward and blow dry. That way they lay the way I want them to lay. Now I'm just going in and separating each individual curl. This helps with volume as well in the front and gives a little bit more frizz, which I like. When separating each curl, I separate it where it naturally wants to pull apart. This helps the curls to maintain their pattern, even though, as you can see, the pattern is really loose anyway. Now this next part is completely optional, but it helps with giving volume and making my hair even more frizzier. Okay, so once I kind of get it, for the most part, pulled out and stretched to my liking, then I go in with my mix of oils, which is grapeseed oil, black castor oil, jojoba oil, and tea tree oil. Yep. And I just kind of rub it on my hands, and then I just go in So then I just do that for the most part. Oh, I still feel a wet patch here. Yeah, whatever. I really don't care. But yeah. I just kind of scrunch the oil in and then I just massage my scalp. This is my absolute favorite part. Like, just look, like, wow, it feels great. It's really just the icing on the cake, you know, gives it that oomph. Feels great. Love this part. My hair is so soft. Ugh. I don't know what I did differently today. Maybe it's because I cut it. Like, from cutting it, it really gave it that my ends are nice now. Because my ends were struggling before. Honestly, do I really even need to do my edges? Like, is it that important? Is that really a question? Yes, edges are always important. Alright, I'm just gonna go in with some gel. And that's it. I just use my little edge brush for this part, and even though my bangs are gonna be down, you never know when that gust of wind, or in my case, the fan, is gonna blow my hair up. Okay, so now I just pick the top of my head for the most part, just to give it a little bit more volume on the sides and the top, and then I go towards the back, and it makes it even more fluffy. Okay, so from usually this point, it just kind of depends on what I'm doing for the day. I will go ahead and put a scrunchie on at the top of my head. I would pineapple it and just kind of leave it just to kind of stretch on its own a little bit. Fluff, fluff, fluff. Shake your head, girl. Shake them up. Shake them up. Can I get a 360? Can I get a 360? Just kidding. I'm not shy. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.